What's up everybody? Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to draw 4 different Saiyan eyes. I'm going to be teaching you how to draw Super Saiyan 1 eyes, Super Saiyan God eyes, Super Saiyan 3 eyes and Super Saiyan 4 eyes. Only the eyes, it's not eyes, okay? So it's not a full face tutorial, only the eyes of the characters. So yeah, and enjoy the process. Stick with me till the end of the video. Eyebrows is going to be made of 2 lines and eyes is going to be made of 3 lines. We'll add a pupil, some cheek marks, and I'm going to be doing some finishing towards the eyebrows and cheek marks. We're going to be adding that, and yeah. So for Super Saiyan 3 eye, as you guys can see, Goku doesn't have any eyebrows for this, and normal eyes with 3 lines and cheek marks. Super Saiyan 4 is similar to Super Saiyan 1, but then it has 2 lines for the. It has 1 outline line for the eyes, and Super Saiyan God is similar to the base form. So now I'm going to start inking. Awesome. It's going to be erasing, and let's start coloring. I'm going to be using Crayola for coloring. There's going to be 3 layers for the eyes and other parts. I'm going to be using 3 shades: mid-tone yellow and dark tone yellow and light tone yellow. Okay, I'm going to be doing some skin tone around the eyes for everything. Okay, so I'm going to be adding a pupil color with light gray and doing some shading. Super Saiyan 4, it's just everything is the same. Okay, so here we have just the red mark in the eye and skin tone around it. As I mentioned earlier, everything is going to be the same. Super Saiyan 3, no eyebrows, so just the skin tone and some pupil color. Super Saiyan God is just the 3 tones of red, and the pupil is also red. So after that, we are going to just add some skin tone around it. Okay, that's it. And we are done, everybody. So hope you guys and girls enjoyed this tutorial. I have made this tutorial quick, and yeah, this is Super Saiyan 1, this is Super Saiyan 4, Super Saiyan 3 and Super Saiyan God. These are the 4 different type of eyes that I have decided to make a tutorial on. So yeah, go down below, smash that like button, share this video to your drawing buddies, and subscribe to my channel, ring the notification bell, and yeah, see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye guys.